Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to show you some simple and easy DIYs that I made for my fall dinette table setting using items that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. For my napkin rings, I use this gold glitter tool, some diamond wrap, these silver plastic napkin rings, some flower mesh that I purchased from Amazon. I'll leave a link below, and my hot glue gun, glue sticks, and fixed all adhesive. I'll leave the complete list of everything that I use down in the description box. So the first thing I did was make 6 small gold tulle flowers. To do so, I cut off about 20 inches of the tulle, as well as one additional small piece of tulle that was about 1 inch wide. Next, I cut my larger piece in half, and then I wrapped those pieces around my 4 fingers and then used the small piece to tie my larger pieces together. Next, I trimmed off the edges of both sides of my tulle, and then I began spreading the tulle out, adding some additional cuts to the tulle to help me flatten it and create my flower design. I continued shaping my flower, and when I was happy with my design, I used the hot glue to attach one single piece of the flower mesh to the center of my tulle. I made 6 of these in total. Next, I used my hot glue to attach 5 rows of the diamond wrap to 4 of my silver plastic napkin rings. I then used additional hot glue to attach one of the flower designs to the center of my napkin ring. I continued to shape the flower on all 4 of my napkin rings, and when I was done, I had something that looked like this. For my candle holders, I used 2 of the Clear Fishbowls, more of the diamond wrap, my 2 remaining flower designs, and my hot glue gun and fix-all adhesive. So the first thing I did was clean my glass, and then I added 10 rolls of the diamond wrap to the center of each of my fish bowls. Here you see me adding some hot glue to the ends of each of the pieces. This is self-adhesive diamond wrap, but I thought that the additional hot glue would help ensure that the diamond wrap stayed in place. Unfortunately, because of the round shape, the diamond wrap did lift about an hour later, so I had to pull this back up and add some fix-all adhesive to keep the diamond wrap in place. If I had this project to do again, I would either use the regular diamond wrap or I would remove the adhesive backing from this diamond wrap and use the fix-all adhesive and the hot glue instead. Once my diamond wrap was securely in place, I used the hot glue to again attach the flower design to the center of my candle holder. I followed the same steps for my flower vase. I cleaned my glass and then added 10 rows of the self-adhesive diamond wrap to the center. Because the shape of this vase is a little different and not as round, I was able to just add some additional fix-all adhesive and the diamond wrap stayed in place. I wanted the flower on my vase to be a bit bigger, so instead of cutting the tool in half, I kept the piece intact. I cut 2 of those 20-inch pieces and then wrapped them around my fingers, tied them together, and cut my flower into shape as I did in my previous project. To complete the project, I added 2 additional rows of the self-adhesive diamond wrap to the very top of my flower vase, and here was my finished look. As we get closer to fall, I'll continue to add additional fall items like leaves or table scatter. But for now, I'm very happy with how all of these DIYs turned out. But what do you guys think? I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.